Fibonacci retracement is a tool that can help you understand where to buy and sell in the market. If you look right here, Fibonacci, every time it makes a move in the market, it always tends to retrace and goes to 50 to 61% and then shoot where it was supposed to go in the first place. If you look right here in an uptrend, whenever the market is pushing up in an uptrend, it's gonna retrace, and it usually retraces to 50 and 61%, and you look for that area and look to buy as the market tend to go up, because it's always gonna retrace around that area. Now, vice versa, if you look in a downtrend, whenever the market is pushing down, it's always looking to retrace, and then that's when you should be looking to sell, because it's gonna hit around that area. If you see right here, it retraced to 50, and if you look right here, it retraced to 61. Now I have some examples to the left of me. Here's another example of a Fibonacci on an uptrend. It went up, it started consolidating right here around the 50, and then it pushed up. And this right here is when you should have looked to buy. Soon as this candlestick broke this red candlestick right here, that's where you should have looked to buy. Now here's an example of a downtrend right here to the left of me. If you look right here, it went down, came right up. You can't really see this because this is blocking it, but it came right up to the 50 area, and then it sold off and came right down. And that's where you was looking to sell. And that's basically Fibonacci right there. If you could master Fibonacci, you could definitely become a great profitable trader when trading it. Let me know what more videos you guys would like to see. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also comment the videos that you guys want to see down there. Make sure you guys comment, because I don't have any comments yet. I see you guys just watching the videos and nobody commenting. Comment what more videos you guys would like to see. And I'm out.